Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to delete your BitPay account. So if you don't want to use your BitPay.com account anymore and you'd like to get rid of this service, then you can easily do it by following these simple steps. Start off by open a web browser and type in bitpay.com. And make sure to log into your account like you normally do. After you are signed into the account, go ahead and click on the chat icon located at the bottom right hand corner. Since there is no direct delete account button available inside your BitPay account, you'll need to go ahead and contact this BitBot and ask it to delete your account. Right after you see this kind of an interface with several menu pop up, click on My Account and then select your account type from the options. Now, click on Close My Account button as soon as it appears, and you'll now need to enter the email associated with your account. Type in your email in the text box and then send your email to the bot. You'll now receive an email about your account deletion. So once you receive your email, you'll need to respond to the email confirming that you would want to close your account. So go ahead and open up your email on a new tab and you'll be receiving an email from BitPay. Click open the support email that you received and then it'll tell you that you'll hear back from BitPay within 72 hours. Now, all you need to do is to wait for another email from BitPay. Simply go ahead and reply to the email stating that you'd like to delete the account and your work should be done. So that was how you can easily delete or send a request to delete your BitPay account within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.